Hello and welcome to Rocket Systems YouTube channel. So till now we have been discussing how to install EFK stack, how to configure Fluentd and how to upload all the data from Raspberry Pi to Elasticsearch via Fluentd. Now in this video we are going to design some visualizations and the dashboard to visualize our temperature related data on Kibana. So let's get started. Now, in order to create dashboard, we need to create visualizations first. So for that, you can click on this visualize and it will load this page. In this, click on create new visualization. So as of now, in our logs, the main important attribute is the temperature. So we are going to create the dashboards to display the temperature values. So let's first design a gauge and let's select the index name. Now Uh, inside this, we need to display the temperature values here. So for that, we will go into the matrix. Instead of count, we will select the top hit. So basically, inside this matrix, we can define like which field we want to display on our graph on our this gauge. So here we can select graph field as temperature, and we can simply like click on update. So now you can see that it is showing us the data and the current temperature value is 26. Let's save this. So I'll click on save and I will say, let's say gauge. I'll name this as gauge. Now in the similar way, we can also design any other visualization. So for example, let's go back to the visualization page and let's also try to create a line graph. Select your appropriate index name. Okay. Now in this line graph, we have two things. One is the y-axis and another one is the x-axis. So in the y-axis, we will display the temperature. So for that, click on this y-axis and instead of count, select top hits. And in the field, select the temperature. Now, if you click on update, you will see that no data is getting shown here because we still have to configure the data for our x-axis. So on the x-axis, we are going to define the temperature, sorry, the timestamps. So for timestamps, we are using the field as created. So I will select here terms, and in the field, I will select created. So basically, what will happen is that it will show us the temperature values based on the created timestamps. And I think we can simply update now, yes. So you can see that it is now showing us the line graph of the temperature values. And here are the timestamps when this temperature was recorded. We can like change some of the other settings. So for example, instead of this line, you can also select the area. So it will kind of like show you the area. So like this. You can also select the bar graph, so it will convert your graph into a bar graph. But I think let's just simply go with the line graph. And you can also update the line. So let's say smooth line. So instead of that curved line, it will show you the lines in a smoother way. So let's also save this. Let's simply name it as line graph and click save. Now we have created two visualizations. One is the gauge and one is the line graph. Let's go to dashboard and we can here simply, let me just click it again, and we can simply create a new dashboard by uploading our existing visualization. So here we can select gauge first and then line graph. And here we go. Our dashboard is complete. Let me just quickly make it a bit smaller. And yeah, this is done. This is done. So we can click on the save button and let's name it as temperature dashboard. And it's working fine. So you can see that on this side it is showing us the temperature values as a gauge, and on this side it's showing us the temperature values as the line graph. So in this way you can design the visualizations or the dashboards for your data. So like for the example, we took temperature as our main attribute, but according to your project you can design any visualization and any dashboard for your project. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.